In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter account opening balance in Zoho Books. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can confidently set up your accounts with the correct starting figures. This is especially important if you're moving from another accounting system or starting mid-year and want your reports in Zoho Books to match your actual books. First, make sure you're logged in to your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. This is the home screen you see right after logging in, where you can view your overall financial summary such as income, expenses, and cash flow. Starting from the dashboard keeps things simple and ensures we're all in the same place. Now, look to the upper right hand side of your screen. You'll see a settings icon or the word settings depending on your view. Go ahead and click on that. The settings section is where you control most of the background configuration for your organization, including taxes, chart of accounts, and of course, opening balances. Once the settings page opens, you'll notice a search bar or a field where you can type to quickly find specific options. Click into that search field and type the word opening. Typing directly like this is much faster than scrolling through all the menus, especially if you're still getting familiar with Zoho's layout. After typing opening, you should see an option labeled opening balances appear in the list of results. Click on opening balances. This will take you to the dedicated section where you can set or adjust the starting balances for your accounts. Think of this as telling Zoho Books what your financial position was on the day you began using the system. On the opening balances page, look for an edit button. It's usually located near the top or to the right side of the page. Click on edit to start making changes. When you do this, the fields on the page will become editable and you'll be able to enter or adjust the balances for different accounts, such as bank accounts, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and more. From here, you can carefully input the opening figures based on your previous records or trial balance. When you're done, remember to save your changes so the updated opening balances are applied to your reports and transactions going forward. And that's it. You've now navigated from the Zoho Books dashboard to the opening balances section and opened it for editing, so you can